And this is the road to the waterfall. It's called Echo Waterfall Cafe. We are on our way for lunch here in Gablet. They've heard the water. And there's a lot of excitement in the two little ones. So you can see this path is made for a scooter, but there is a warning that you mustn't bring your scooter along, because I think you're gonna struggle coming up again, or even going down you might, because it's quite steep. Crystal clear water, and this is the waterfall, and we're going to that cafe there to have a lunch. So it's always good to have your restaurant as close as possible to the waterfall. You can hear it's pretty close. There's the waterfall. But this dude there decided he's gonna take it one step, not one step further, but one step closer. Luwak coffee. Luwak coffee.
This is Kopi Luwak, special genuine natural civet cat coffee. From the true wilds, not caged.
So this is a feces of a cat.
Okay.
A civet cat, that is. And how does it taste? Luckily not.
Good.
Mama, there's a fun fishing waterfall over here. Snake.
And the kids insist to go to the waterfall. They generally don't like taking steps or stairs or whatever you want to call it, but they want to go to the waterfall. And it's cold. It's not cold, but it's definitely not hot. And now you're getting wet as well.
That feels super fun.
Right, you go. And that's how you take the scooter up here. And this is still fine, but you get some steep uphills ahead. And up we go. We're now off to the rice fields down below, and this is like down below, and it's quite a steep downhill. I don't think 4 on a scooter will come up here. And look at all this bamboo in front. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's not that dangerous if your scooter is off and you go.
Mommy is worried because it's like a bamboo raft bridge. It looks scary.
Please, please.
Hold it nice.
Please.
Hold it nice, don't drop it.
Oh.
You must record like
Oh,
this.
no,
Keep it straight. Right. And this is a bamboo bridge. Ah, it's still sneaky.
That wasn't so bad. Yeah.
You must hold this thing.
not
Oh, hell,
fun.
that's a quite steep uphill.
Bye,
Push it. Off we go. Why not? Let's do it.
I don't want
Let's
to go.
do it.
I don't want to go. to the
Resting
bungalow.
point, Ricefield Coffee Shop. And off we go. Look at these nice rice fields.
Please don't tell me we're gonna go over the bamboos again.
Don't you like it?
No, it's so scary. It is the best part, actually.
It's a very narrow pathway.
My daddy's saying a lake. Peter Squirrel. Hi, Peter Squirrel.
Oh, look how beautiful it is, huh?
A big
It is
stick.
absolutely beautiful, girls. We're now at the Ricefield Coffee Shop resting point. Small. Small. Small little coffee shop here in the middle of the rice fields and the palm trees and the jungle. And you drive on these little roads all around here. It's very beautiful. I would highly recommend it. And not too many tourists. I call it stand across the motorbikes. A look, huh? Split in. I think it's.
Is it okay? Or is it gonna fall over?
No, I think it's fine. So, if you want to beat the crowd and have the waterfall all by yourself, come early. What's the time now, ladies?
But you have to pay for the 2,000. It's not that much.
No, it's not about the money. It's about the crowd.
Yeah, but still, it's not.
So yeah, basically, if you want to see a waterfall and not a bunch of tourists, then you come early. You wake up the family at 6 in the morning. And then you get to see this tiny little waterfall all by yourself, hopefully.
And then you don't have to pay anything.
Oh, nothing, eh?
Yeah.
And look at this Elsa and Anna outfit. Don't you look beautiful?
Yeah.
And that's what happens when you're in the middle of the mountains and you're getting cold and mom and dad doesn't have any warm clothes for her. Then we have to buy at the local shops. And strangely, they love Anna and Elsa, so it's a everybody wins situation. Oh. The added benefit for coming early, there's no fees. So this is down to one waterfall, 150 meters, 20,000 an adult, 10 children. It's not much though.
When we come up, maybe the guys that has the tickets and everything. Daddy, what is a tipping bucket?
Yes, the tipping bucket. Let me show you. And here is the Munduk waterfall. Pretty amazing. So that was it for the early morning waterfall in Munduk, which is also called the Munduk waterfall. It's quite beautiful, but what makes it more impressive, nobody around. Absolutely nobody around. Just us, not even the ticket guys are here. It's not much to come in here, so that's not the issue, but at least you get the waterfall, you get to see the waterfall, and you can take nice footage. because there's not anybody that disturb or photobombing your photo. And there's a little bamboo bridge that you have to cross. So now we're going to go further down. I think below is another waterfall. And nice restaurants all along the way. This one is closed though. And this one is even further down. Same river though, just further down the mountain. So that was it for the waterfalls. Yeah, there's 3, we went to 2, but I must honestly say the effort to get there doesn't justify the reward. Your opinion about these waterfalls?
It was really cold and beautiful.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it worth the walk?
No.
Not. Megan, you? What do you feel about the waterfalls?
I never want to go to that ever again. I hate it.
And there you have it, honest opinions of the children, but maybe it's just too far and too difficult for them. Dude, collecting the money for parking. He stays right across the road. If you need the toilet, they have the toilet as well, also for another 2,000.
Okay. Sama-sama. Wih, good. Sama-sama? Yeah.
So why did you walk that much and that eagerly?
For ice cream.
For an ice cream. So that's it, that's a secret. We bribe them with ice creams to walk down to the waterfall, and it works. This is the view we go to sleep at night, and the view we wake up in the mornings. Quite impressive. On top of the mountains. And Bali is all the way to there on the western side, and then there in the distance, those mountains are in Java, another island right next to Bali.